How to set up cellular data on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Cellular as shown. Over here, turn on the cellular data switch as shown. And then, go to Cellular Data options below. Here, turn on Data Roaming at the top. Then, go to Voice and Data. As you can see, it is currently set to 3G. Select 5G Auto from the options. 5G Auto uses 5G only when needed for performance, while optimizing battery life. After that, go back and tap on Data Mode. Now, select Standard from the options. Standard allows automatic updates and background tasks on cellular data, but limits video and FaceTime quality. Following these steps, you can easily set up cellular data on iPhone.